Welcome to part 3 in partnership with Screen Print Direct, where we're going to show you guys how to coat your screen. Let's get to it. So for this video, we're going to be using the EcoText textile emulsion and scoop coater provided by the people over at Screen Print Direct. But before we coat any screen, you got to have some sort of dark room and you got to have some safe lights on. So the reason for the safe lights is that if you were to coat a screen with regular lights on, what that will do, it will harden your emulsion and it will cause issue when it comes to exposing your screens. So when it comes to using a scoop coater, there are two sides that you have to get familiar with. So you got a flat side and you got a round side. The difference between the two is that the flat side will deposit less emulsion onto your screen, whereas the round side, it deposits more emulsion onto your screen. Now when it comes to coating the screen, you have to position it and hold it in an angle where it's leaning forward, and you want to apply pressure as you go up slowly. So now that we gave it the breakdowns on how to coat your screens and the different sides of the scoop coater, the flat and the round side, and how to position your scoop coater when it's time to coat your screen, stay tuned for the next video where we're going to show you guys how to expose your screen. And of course, for any tips and tricks, make sure to follow us. Any questions you guys have, drop them down below, and we help you guys out. Later.